Hey, what's up, y'all? How y'all doing? Good, I hope. Today we will be taking a look at this backdrop I got from Amazon. It's made by Moments Meets Eternity. It says, "Dear friend, thank you for shopping at MME store. One moment of memory is where time meets eternity. We hope you enjoy this shopping and our products. Looking forward to your next visit. Best regards." Now let's check this out, see is it any good. FYI, I only paid $20 for it, so I'm not expecting much. It's 10 by 10 feet. Let's check it out. Okay, I just took it out of the packaging. Not exactly sure what material this is made from. At the Amazon store, it didn't say, it just said material. It's black in color, and it is pretty thin. But to come back to the material, I would say made out of something similar to what, if you had a backpack, that what it seems like, but much thinner. I got this flashlight right here. This is a pretty bright flashlight. I think it's 8,000 lumens. Let's see how much it comes through. White a bit, but like I said, I only paid $20 for it. So if you wanted to use this as a blackout curtain, no luck there, because like I said, it's pretty thin. Light pretty much goes through it. Now what I'm gonna do with it is put it behind me so it hide this ugly wall and remove this marble picture that I have. I have also got these Velcro. So I'm just gonna Velcro to the wall. Give me 1 second, I'll show you that. Now tell me, what do you think? Better? Worse? Don't worry about the wrinkles, they should come out as it hangs, or I might just steam it, I don't know. But I know it's a weird material. I'm kind of scared of steaming it because I really don't want to burn it. And I was looking at some of the comments. Others had issues with steaming it and easily burning it. I got one more issue to conquer. This recording area is very small because I'm using my bedroom. And over side to me, it's a king size bed. Maybe I should have got a smaller, a twin or queen, but I like my room. I'm very close to the backdrop. As you can see my shadow on it. So I have to figure something out how to make it look more cinematic. But if you got any suggestions, leave it down in the comments. Like I said, I paid $20 for this backdrop. It's black in color. It's very thin. The material look like something like how remember when you used to go to school, your backpack, but even thinner. It's very thin. I say about 2 mils thick, maybe 5 mils. I don't have anything to measure it right now, but I got it up. You don't see my ugly ass wall anymore. If you have any additional questions, please leave it down in the comments, and thank you. Thank you for watching. I hope you found this video useful. If so, subscribe, like, and share this video with anyone who could benefit. But if you feel that this video is not quite up to par, just like this video, leave a comment letting me know what I did wrong. I really would like to hear from you. Also, you can follow me on the social medias. The links are in the description.